Hey guys, so this is the problem 3, the C one, okay? So here we have this limit that we have to calculate, okay? So just first of all, as I told you, please analyze what you're having here, okay? If we plug in here, this is when x goes to 0. And if I plug it here and here, we're gonna have 1 over 1. Root square of 1 is 1, right? And then we're gonna have the log of 1, right? So here we have the log of 1. This is 0, okay? And of course here is 0, so at the end you're gonna have 0 over 0. Spectacular. So you can apply L'Hopital rule. Perfect. Now, here I'm showing you. Okay, let me use another one. Okay. So let me see. Okay, so here, as you can see, right? You have the log of x, but the derivative, right? So this is gonna be the argument goes over here, and then we're gonna have the natural logarithmic of 10. Why 10? Because we assume that the base of the logarithmic of the logarithmic is 10. Okay. Otherwise, you have like this expression over here. The base of the logarithmic goes to the argument to the natural logarithmic, and the x goes as well here. Okay, I mean here I have a problem. I'm really sorry, guys. So this is x that goes over here. So this x will go over here. Okay. Enough talking. Let's do it. Okay. So let's go. We need to do the derivative of this function. So I'm gonna do limit when x goes to 0 log of x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x over x. As you can see, I'm gonna put it d over dx, d over dx, here and here. Perfect, guys. So let's do it. So let's start. Limit when x goes to 0. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna have it, let me do it over here just so we don't get lost, okay? So the derivative of this log that we have over here, right? We need to say it's gonna be 1, sorry guys, 1 over the argument, as you can see here, goes here. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. Okay, perfect, guys. So natural logarithmic of 10. Okay, perfect. So now I have the derivative of logarithmic of x, but I have to do the following. This, as you can see, let me change color. This, just so you know, is gonna be x plus 1, 1 minus x to the 1/2, right? And I need to do the calculation, right? So I'm gonna have 1/2, right, of x plus 1, 1 minus x to the, let me do it like here, okay, right, to the minus 1/2, right? And then remember also, and I'm sorry for this, I'm gonna do it, okay, here guys, sorry, this is gonna be x plus 1, right, 1 minus x to the 1/2, right? So I think it's better if I put it that way, okay? So this is gonna be 1/2. Sorry, this is gonna be 1/2 x plus 1, 1 minus x, okay? And yeah, like this. And we're gonna have okay, then I have to do this. But remember something. 1 minus x to the minus 1. Okay, please. I know this can be quite awful, but anyways. So then I have to derive by the power rule, the chain rule. Sorry. I have to do it this one. So let me see if I have a space. This is gonna be, I'm gonna derive this one. Okay. This is 1, right? I'm gonna delete this one. 1 multiplied by 1 minus x to the minus 1, right? Minus, I'm going to derive this one. Minus 1 minus x to the minus 2 minus 1. Oh god, we have a big problem here. Okay, I'm gonna put it below. So minus 1, right? Yeah, minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. X plus 1. So this is gonna be like here, okay? Yeah. Sorry, and these have okay, and this go this way. Divided by 1, okay? Please guys, don't get lost. Yeah, I'm just doing the chain rule. So first of all, what we do? We did this one, right? We need to derive the logarithmic. So the logarithmic is this equation, right? So this is what I did, okay? Then I had to obtain, as you know, the equation, I mean the derivative of this structure that we have over here. So this is at the end is 1/2, right? So this is 1/2. This is minus 1 over 2. This stays the same, right? The chain rule. Then this one is just only 1, right? So at the end, it's going to be multiplied by 1 minus x to the minus 1 minus, and I have to derive this. So this minus 1 goes over here, right? And we're going to have 1 minus x to the minus 2 multiply by minus 1. Why minus 1? Because of this structure that we have over here, and multiply, of course, by the x plus 1. Perfect, guys. So we're there. Now, so at the end, I'm gonna have, let me see, we're gonna have, okay, so this one goes over here, right? So we're gonna have 1/2, right? And we're gonna have, I need to put it like in a better way, but at the end, I think that at the end it's gonna be the same, okay? Let me see if I can copy, just to win time, okay? God. Copy. Like that, right? Here I'm gonna change this and I'm gonna write x plus 1, right? And of course here, okay. And this is gonna be x plus 1, 1 minus x, right? Natural logarithmic of 10. Perfect, guys. So now we have to plug this one, okay? So let's do it. Here I'm gonna have 1, right? Here I'm gonna have 1, I'm gonna have 1 over 1, right? This is at the end, this is 1, okay. This is 1. Okay. And this one, I'm gonna have 1 over 1. This is 1 at the end. This is 1. Here I have 1, right? But over 2. At the end, it's the same. This is 1. And by this minus and this minus is 1. So at the end, this is 1. And here I'm gonna have 1. This is 1, right? So let me see. Let me see how it goes, guys. So at the end, this is. Yeah, let me see something because I think. Yeah, because it goes the other way. So this is like this. Okay. So we're gonna have 1 to the minus 1/2. This at the end is gonna be it's gonna be 1 over square root of 1, but this is 1 at the end. So at the end, all of this structure that you're seeing here is 1. So I don't care. And this is 1. This is 1. And here I'm gonna have 1, right? Minus, but this minus and this minus, it's positive. So it's gonna be plus 1. And this multiplied by this 1, so at the end it's 1, right? And here I have 1 multiplied by natural logarithmic of 10. So this cancels with this, right? 2, because this is 2, right? So the answer, the final answer, is gonna be 1 divided by natural logarithmic of 10. And that's the answer, guys. So sure, it's perfect. So now, guys, I'm gonna ask you just quite a favor, okay? So let me see. Just give me 1 second, guys. So this was not in the exam, but at the end I find this limit. Let me write it over here as a D. And I couldn't fix it. I couldn't solve it, guys. I find a solution, but I don't know if this is okay or not. So if you can solve it, guys, that would be great. So we can learn together. That would be so great, guys. So it's gonna be x squared minus x minus 2. Yeah, and I find, right, that the answer is Euler to the minus 14 over 9, guys. So if you can solve it, guys, just please let me know. I'm gonna share my email so we can be in touch there. Okay, thank you, guys.